What should our limited partners expect on a deal?
Yeah, we're looking for, the 7 to 8% preferred return. That's going to stay consistent along with the 12% internal rate of return. That's going to be our minimum target, conservatively, on every deal that we're offering.
You want to elaborate further on what we'd like to do on the back end?
Yeah, we typically want to err towards cash out refinancing versus selling the property. Again, with a value add approach, we're increasing the value of the property. And to access that, our two options are cash out refinance or sale. And when we do a cash out refinance, because the bank is going to limit the leverage that we can take out on the property, we're not going to be able to access all of the value that we're in turn creating. But it makes a bit more sense to do the refinance, because when you take out a loan, at the higher valuation, we're able to return investor capital, which boosts the returns. But also, when we return that capital, because it is a loan, it's not taxed, versus a sale would trigger capital gains that our investors are going to have to pay. And so that's why we typically want to err towards the refinance, as well as a longer hold period, because that's really where the passive income in real estate is. If we're just selling these properties after a year after increasing the value, we're just a glorified house flipper at that point.